Welcome back to the Circuit Revival, where today we're going to take a look at another Nintendo Switch Lite. Now, I've not had a whole of luck with Nintendo Switches recently, so hopefully we have a bit more luck with this one. I'm not too certain though, because it's another no power, because the charger port is absolutely knackered, and this charger port is probably one of the worst that I think I've seen for a while, really. You can see all of those pins are absolutely knackered. We'll give it a go either way. We'll get this open. So we'll double check and see whether we have... There's a game card. Hey, look at that, 64 gig. Wow. Okay, so even if we go and get this fixed, that's a turnout for the books. Is there going to be a game as well? No game, but cool. I didn't think you ever really got memory cards in these. I think most people tend to kind of take them out. Okay, so the board is out here and I have my Switch port ready. What I'm going to do quickly is I'm just going to check the caps on this, because I've not had a lot of luck recently with Switch boards, and I'm slightly concerned that it's the power supply I'm using that's causing it. I'm just going to go into continuity mode and I'm just going to check the caps around M92. And nothing shorted around BQ either, so we'll get the port off. I'll get a new one on. So I'll try with the official charger first, then I'll try with my ammeter, the one that's just here. Because, like I say, I'm fairly certain, or slightly concerned, that it's the power supply that I've got here that's causing this. So we'll start just by getting this port off. So here we are under the microscope. So I've got my other port here. I just need to set this up, so I'm just going to tin the other port first of all. Some solder on my iron, a bit of flux on the port, and we'll just tin the pads up to begin with. You possibly saw there that the battery connector moved slightly as we were doing it, so I just nudged it back into place. So I just need to double check that as well. The battery connector looks slightly wonky, but I think it's all good. We'll just check, make sure nothing's touching where it shouldn't do there. Okay, that's all good, but that port is it's a little wonky. It's not sat flat at the front, so we'll just get this back into the holder and we'll just get that sorted. It's a lot flatter now, so hopefully we're all connected. It's just a bit wonky with that battery connector, but I think it'll be all right. Okay, all those pins seem good, so we'll just let this cool down. What we'll do is I'll pull out my USB ammeter that I have. That'll let us know if it's working, because like I said, I'm just slightly concerned that my power supply is killing these. Okay, so the board's cooled down a bit here, so we'll try plug it in to begin with and see if we get anything. Okay, that looks good. Okay, and that looks good on that side. So this looks positive so far. So I'll plug that back over there, get that out of the way, and we'll get this in the chassis and we'll try it again once it's all together. Okay, so we're back together enough to test this. So we'll get our ammeter back again and we'll see if we get a screen. Okay, we get battery symbol. It looks like we're restarting. And we have the logo. And here we go. We're on. Amazing. Just one thing left to test here is will it charge the other way? Yeah, so we've got charging both ways there. So we'll just turn this off and we'll finish getting this back together. Okay, volume's good. Volume up and down works. Let's go system settings. Left button good. Okay, both joysticks are good. Okay, all buttons are good there as well. So all I need to do is just test the internet, which I'll do off screen. But that is a fix. And my goodness, did we need one. So we can come in here and change this to 10 for... Amazing. Let's move this over. There we go, 10 to 4. So we were definitely due a fix there because it's been going on for a while. But I'll test the internet off screen. I'll get this all reset down to factory settings and we'll see you in the next one.